Okay, so for Tuesday, for your e-learning, we're going to finish up with theme and poetry, probably Tuesday, Wednesday, and then do maybe a review or an IXL on Thursday. For this activity, activity 4, you're going to come up with, curate a set of poems with a common theme. So in order to do that, you're going to go onto some of those websites, poets.org or poemhunter.com or poetryfoundation.com, and do some exploring. They'll find 4 poems that have a common theme. They can be from the same poet or written by different poets. You'll just copy and paste the poems into a Google Doc, and then at the end of your copying and pasting, tell what the theme of all 4 of the poems are, and use evidence from the poems to prove your point, to prove that that is the theme of your poems. So you can refer back to last week's slide for a theme and some of the different topics, love, springtime, flowers, plants, death. There's just a variety of themes that you can kind of pick which one you want to use to do that. So again, after you have come up with your 4 poems and copy and pasted those, at the bottom, you need to write what the theme or message of all 4 of your poems is, and how do you know that that is the message, and that is where you'll use your text evidence from each of the poems to support the theme.